Oh, looks like something from the Blackhawks.
Can you please open it? Oh wait. Let's open it.
Oh, is he cute?
Yeah, I love it.
Can you turn him around so I can see? Oh, it is little Blackhawks. Oh, that's so cute.
It's Indian.
Yes, it's an Indian.
There's a little hoodie and it comes off and back on.
Very cute.
That's cool. I like it. It's,
Okay, that's just the receipt.
oh yeah, that's the receipt. What's in here? What are these?
It's for your hair. It's a kind of headband. I'll show you.
Okay. Very nice. Ooh.
Ooh, black socks. Black socks. Blackhawks.
Hey, look! I get the movie and the VHS.
It's just the DVD.
Yeah, I get the DVD.
It's not a VHS, it's a DVD.
No, I'm saying I have VHS and DVD.
Oh, because you had it on VHS. Yeah, this will probably look a lot nicer.
Ooh. What's it?
Oh, it's a shamrock.
I haven't opened that thing.
I don't think you do open it. I think it lights up and it can go on a keychain.
Ooh, pretty. Look it. Pretty. Beads. And I try the rest of it are glue.
Let's see. Oh, it says tea time. It has kitties. Grandma and Papa Ron had a cat that looked like that, named Sadie.
Are they for me?
They are. They're socks, though. Those aren't mittens.
Oh. Ah, that's okay.
They're going to be more useful to you as socks because...
And the rest of them are clothes on me.
It says, you make me smile.
You make me smile? Look. That's how close with me. You did it. Size, just a flower on the back.
Oh, that's cute.
You
You can use the long sleeves, too.
You just fit me at the right size. Jeans.
Those are cute. Very spring.
Oh, beautiful shirt.
That's very...
If I change a different shirt, I put this on. Look. It matches my pants.
Yeah, it's very cool.
I wish I had that longer. Ooh, pretty.
Oh, those are so cute.
Oops. Ooh. I love it.
That is very cute.
See.
Ooh, nice.
And then, oh, it's the card.
No, that's my mail from North Central College, I think.
Oh.
Yeah.
And there's something here. I don't know what this...
It's handwriting practice paper.
Oh, great.
So you can write letters on that.
Oh. Sorry. Thank you, Grandpapa.